Want to deactivate or delete your Roblox account completely? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to deactivate your Roblox account using your mobile phone, the right and safe way. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Now, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Now tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Then scroll down to the bottom. Finally, you'll see Account Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on it. Next, you'll see the Deactivate Account option. Just tap on Deactivate and then confirm your choice to finish. And that's it. You've successfully sent a request to deactivate your Roblox account on your mobile phone. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more Roblox tips and tutorials.